Did you know there's a simple, eco-friendly, and incredibly cheap way to keep your toilet sparkling clean without relying on expensive store-bought descalers? You're about to discover a game-changing cleaning hack that's been my go-to for years. It's quick to prepare, uses common household ingredients, and can save you a significant amount of money over time. Intrigued? Then stay with us till the end. First, let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need 3 simple items, most of which you probably already have at home. First of all, you're going to need 100 milliliters of the cheapest dishwashing detergent. This is the base of our mixture and has a surprisingly essential role that we'll explain shortly. Next, you will need 1 tablespoon of regular table salt, a humble kitchen staple, but wait till you see how powerful it becomes in this cleaning formula. Finally, you are going to need 300 milliliters of vinegar. Opt for the least expensive variety. Its acidity is what does the heavy lifting in this mix. The next stage is to pour the dishwashing detergent into a mixing bowl. Next, add the tablespoon of salt, and finally pour in the vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a uniform consistency. This mixture works wonders because it combines the unique properties of salt, vinegar, and detergent. Salt is known for its abrasive nature and is excellent at mechanically breaking down stubborn limescale and mineral buildup. Vinegar is a natural powerhouse. Vinegar's acidity dissolves tough deposits, leaving surfaces clean and shiny. Plus, it doubles as a natural disinfectant, eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors. Dishwashing detergent is why the magic happens. The detergent thickens the mixture, ensuring it clings to the scale rather than just running off. This prolonged contact enhances the descaling process for maximum efficiency. Not only is this combination effective, but it's also environmentally friendly, using no harsh chemicals. It's the perfect alternative for those who want to maintain a clean home without compromising on sustainability. Once the mixture is ready, it's time to apply it. Transfer it to an empty detergent bottle for easy application. Before going to bed, spray the mixture generously over the Limescale in your toilet bowl. Allow it to sit overnight, giving it plenty of time to break down even the most stubborn deposits. When you wake up, grab a hard bristle toilet brush and give the bowl a good scrub. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the scale comes off, leaving your toilet sparkling clean and fresh. No harsh fumes, no heavy scrubbing, just an effective, wallet-friendly solution. There you have it, a simple, affordable, and environmentally friendly way to keep your toilet pristine. Not only does this method save money, but it also reduces your reliance on chemical-heavy cleaners. We'd love to hear how this works for you, so please share your results in the comments below. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean toilet bowl stains with baking soda and vinegar.